Hello everybody. Welcome to M.prakash English classes. So I will discuss idiom and phrases. आज ଆମେ discuss କରିବା idiom and phrases. idiom କ'ଣ? idiom ହେଉଛି ଇଂଲିଶର ଲୋକବାଣୀ. So it is means the group of words or phrases means a different meaning, suggests a general meaning. So we'll look at the first word is have ants in one span. Have ants in one span means ଗୋଟେ ପିମ୍ପୁଡ଼ି ଆଣ୍ଟସ୍ ମାନେ ପିମ୍ପୁଡ଼ି ଇନ୍ ୱାନ୍ ସ୍ପେନ୍ ଗୋଟେ ପିମ୍ପୁଡ଼ି ଅନ୍ୟ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିର ଜଣଙ୍କ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିର ୱାନ୍ସ ମିନ୍ସ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ନଟ୍ ଟକିଂ ଆବାଉଟ୍ ଏଭ୍ରି ୱାନ୍ ଟକିଂ ଆବାଉଟ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ପର୍ସନ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଯିଏ ବି ହେଉନା କାହିଁକି ହେଭ୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଇନ୍ ଏ ପ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟସ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଗୋଟେ ପିମ୍ପୁଡ଼ି ଅନ୍ୟ ଜଣଙ୍କ ପ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟରେ ଛାଡ଼ିବା ମିନ୍ସ କ'ଣ ସେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ କାମୁଡ଼ିବ ସୋ means the interesting fact is that the meaning is to be restless and agitated. To be restless means pimpudi kamudla pore. So I don't know you have experience or not. So I have also the same experience. So I have ants in one span means so to be restless. So look at the example. She has got ants in her pant while waiting to hear the result of the exam. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍କୁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିଥିଲେ ସୁଝାବି କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେତେବେଳେ ସେ କ'ଣ ହି ହେଜ୍ ଗଟ୍ ଆଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଇନ୍ ହାର୍ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ମିନ୍ସ ହି ଇଜ୍ ରେଷ୍ଟଲେସ୍ ସେମିତି ଫିଲିଙ୍ଗସ୍ ଯେମିତି ପିମ୍ପୁଡ଼ି what is called actually it is different meaning but the restless means ହେଉଛି restless ମାନେ very what is called conscious about result. So he becomes she become restless. She has got ants in her pant means what is called he has got one pants means becomes restless. So we'll proceed to next word that is like everything. Like everything means very much ମାନେ ବହୁତ very much hard fast and energetically ମାନେ he tried like everything ସେ ବହୁତ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିଛି to get a job. He tried like anything. He tried like anything to get a job. That means like anything means very much ବହୁତ ଚେଷ୍ଟା ପ୍ରଚେଷ୍ଟା ବହୁତ ପ୍ରଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିଛି କିନ୍ତୁ but what is the result, what may be the result, that is another thing. But he's look at the sentence को ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ କର. He tried like anything to get a job. ବହୁତ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିଛି. He has given his lot of what is called lot of efforts to get to achieve to accomplish his or her goal. So we'll proceed. ଆମେ ଅନ୍ୟ ଗୋଟେ ୱାର୍ଡ଼ ଦେଖିବା ସେ ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. So it is John Keats statement. Beauty lies not statement, it's a thought. Beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି beauty जो William Wordsworth କହିଥିଲେ କ'ଣ beauty is in nature. William Wordsworth a romantic what is called as a father of romanticism. He glorifies the nature. He glorifies nature. But John Keats say beauty is not doesn't lies in nature. It is up to you. I mean, how do you look at it? So beauty lies in the eyes of beholder means different people have different idea about is beauty means thought ଯାହା ନା କାହିଁକି ଲୋକ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଲୋକଙ୍କର ଭିନ୍ନ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ସମାନ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ ଜଣକୁ କଲରା ଖାଇବା ପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ ଜଣକୁ ଖାଇବା ପାଇଁ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ ନାହିଁ bitter gourds. So I think this cat actually my friend also is very what is called he like this bitter gourd he likes. So I think this cat is ugly. I think this cat is ugly but you think it is attractive. That is up to you. ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି କ୍ୟାଟ୍ ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ ଅଗ୍ଲି କ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମୋ ପାଇଁ ମୋତେ ଶୁଭ ନୁହଁ ମୋତେ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ ନାହିଁ ବଟ୍ ୟୁ ଲାଇକ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଦ ବ୍ୟୁଟି ଲାଇଜ୍ ଇନ୍ ଦି ଆଇଜ୍ ଅଫ୍ ବିହୋଲ୍ଡର ମାନେ ତୁମ ବ୍ୟୁଟିଟା ସୁନ୍ଦରଟା କାହା ଉପରେ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡ କରେ ମାନେ ଦେଖଣାହାରୀ ଉପରେ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡ କରେ. ସୋ ଡିଫରେନ୍ସ ପିପୁଲ୍ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କର ଭିନ୍ନ ଭିନ୍ନ ଟେଷ୍ଟ. ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ the meaning of the phrase. So we will proceed to another word. आम आउ गोटे word देखा bear with someone. Bear with someone means to be patient. सहिबा ସହ୍ୟ କରିବା. bear means actually ସହିବା. bear with someone means ଜଣକୁ ସହିବା. So please bear with me. I will explain my stand as soon as I am free. Please bear with me माने look at me. Please bear with me. Bear with me means किसी समय पेशेंस रख. Keep patient. I will explain. ମୁଁ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା କରିବି my stand ମୋ ପଏଣ୍ଟରୁ କ'ଣ as soon as I am free. ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଫ୍ରି ହେଇଯିବି I will explain. As clear as bell means also I have look at to be patient means what is called please bear with me. I will explain my stand as soon as I am free. ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଫ୍ରି ହେଇଯିବି I will discuss. So as clear as bell means easy to hear. As clear as bell means easy to hear. ଏଠି clear means what is called as ଲାଗିଛି ଏଟା ହେଉଛି ସିମିଲି ଉପମା ଅଳଙ୍କାର ମାନେ ବେଲ୍ ଯେମିତି କ୍ଲିଅର ବେଲ୍ ବାଜିବା ମାନେ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଆସିବ ନା ନାହିଁ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଯେଉଁ ଯେକୌଣସି ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ହେଲେ ତମେ ବେଲ୍ ବାଜିବା ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଶୁଣିପାରିବ. ସୋ ଇଜି ଟୁ ହିଅର୍ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ସିମ୍ବଲାଇଜ୍ ଏଜ୍ କ୍ଲିଅର୍ ଏଜ୍ ବେଲ୍ ଯେମିତି କ୍ଲିଅର ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଆସେ ସୋ ଇଜି ଟୁ ହିଅର୍ ଶୁଣି ହେବ ନା ନାହିଁ. ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍. ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଅଛି ଦିସ୍ ରୁମ୍ ଇଜ୍ ନଏଜି. ନଏଜି ମିନ୍ସ ଭେରି ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ କଲ୍ଡ noisy. So I can ଏଟା adjective. So this room is noisy. I can hear the voice. Still I can hear the voice. As clear as bell. As clear as bell. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ଯେତେ noisy ଥିଲେ ମଧ୍ୟ ରୁମ୍ରେ I can hear. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଶୁଣିପାରୁଛି. Your voice ତୁମ voice ଶୁଣିପାରୁଛି. As clear as bell. ପୁରା clearly. So we'll proceed. Next word that is as sound as bell. As sound as bell means in a good condition or good health. As sound তোমার health কেମିତି ଅଛି suppose ମୁଁ ପଚାରିବି I'm sound, I'm well, I'm fine. That is I'm as fine as fiddle. So that is କ'ଣ ଜ୍ଞାନୀ granny grandpa is getting old. ସେ ବୁଢ଼ା ହେବାକୁ ମାନେ ବୁଢ଼ା ହେଇଗଲାଣି ବଟ୍ ସି sound as bell. still ଭଲ କଣ୍ଡିସନରେ ସେମାନେ ଅଛନ୍ତି. ସୋ ମାଇ ଗ୍ରାନି is as sound as bell. That means ଏଠି ଏଜ୍ ସହିତ କମ୍ପାରିଜନ୍ କରାଯାଇଛି. ଏଜ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଯେପରି ବେଲ୍ ଯେପରି କ୍ଲିଅର ସେପରି ଯେଉଁ ବେଲ୍ର ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଯେପରି କ୍ଲିଅର ସେମିତି ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ହେଲ୍ଥ ଅଛି. ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଗ୍ରାନି ଇଜ୍ ଗେଟିଂ ଓଲ୍ଡ. ବୁଢ଼ା ହେଇଗଲାଣି. ସି ଇଜ୍ ଏଜ୍ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଏଜ୍ ବେଲ୍. ବେଲ୍ ସହିତ ସମାନ ମାନେ ବେଲ୍ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ସହିତ ମାନେ ହାର୍ ହେଲ୍ଥ ଇଜ୍ ୱେଲ୍. ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ତା ଶରୀର ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଅଛି. So we'll proceed. Next word that is on blended knee. On blended knee means with a humble submissive attitude. With a humble and submissive attitude. So the desperate man plead the blended knee for mercy. Desperate person ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ desperate person plead କଲା କ'ଣ କଲା with blended knee means submissive attitudeରେ request କଲା ମାନେ କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ମର୍ସି ଦୟା ମାଗିବା ମାନେ ଦୟା ଭିକ୍ଷା କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଦୟା ଗ୍ରହଣ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ କ'ଣ କଲା with submissive attitude blended knee ଆଣ୍ଠେଇ ପଡ଼ିବା. So it's a idiomatic phrase. ଇଏ ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ ଗୋଟେ idiomatic phrases. ତା ମାନେ ହେଉଛି with humble and submissive attitude. So the desperate person pleaded on blended knee for mercy. So mercy means doya. The blood is then we will proceed to next word. I would word discussion kariba that is blood thinker than water. Blood is thinker than water. That means blood is thinker than water মানে কোন blood হচ্ছে মানে blood relationship, water means any other relationship. ସେ କହିଛି blood is thinker than water. That means family loyalty being stronger than any type of friendship. Family loyalty means you belong to some family. So something happens to your family. That means you should what is called. So you cannot go against your family. I also written an example. I cannot go against my brother. ମୋ ଭାଇ ବିରୋଧରେ ମୁଁ ଯାଇପାରିବି ନାହିଁ. आफ्टर ऑल ब्लड इज थिंकर देन वाटर सब पर भी ब्लड मीन्स व्हाट इज कॉल्ड ब्लड माने दे विल वरीड अबाउट एवरीथिंग फॉर यू बिकॉज you are what is called blood relationship. Blood relationship means you are very, it's a tie. Okay, blood is thicker than water माने फ्रेंडशिप ठारू ब्लड रिलेशन बहुत स्ट्रंग. सो से कथा कही. सो ऑटोमेटिक फ्रेजेस इट आई कैन नॉट गो अगेंस्ट माय ब्रदर. मो भाई विरोध जापर ना. आफ्टर ऑल ब्लड इज थिंकर देन वाटर. सो देर इज अनदर वर्ड दैट इज मेक समवन्स ब्लड बॉयल. जनकर रक्त गरम करवा. दैट मीन्स कौन ता माने कौन टू मेक समवन एंग्री. मेक समवन ब्लड बॉयल मीन्स टू मेक समवन एंग्री. हार सेल्फिशनेस रियली मेक्स माई ब्लड बॉयल. तार जो सेल्फिशनेस मोर कौन रियली मोर ब्लड को गरम करदेला. सो इट इज फ्रेज जोटा गोटे माने माई मेक समवन ब्लड बॉयल माने जनकर रक्त को गरम करा. माने कौन ता माने हूँ टू मेक समवन एंग्री जन को माने रागिया बाध्य करवा. सो हार सेल्फिशनेस तार सेल्फिशनेस माने स्वार्थपरता रियली मेक्स जोटा तैयारी करे मत कला माई ब्लड बॉयल मोर रक्त को गरम करदेला. दैट मीन्स आई एम वेरी एंग्री एट हिम. सॉरी एंग्री विथ हिम. सो विल प्रोसीड टू नेक्स्ट वर्ड that is a blue-eyed boy. Blue-eyed boy means favorite. Blue-eyed boy means favorite. Ajay will get promotion. He is in boss blue-eyed boy. से निश्चित भाव में प्रमोशन पाइबो because he is in blue-eyed boy, the favorite person. Bosom friend. Bosom friend means very close friend. He is my bosom friend. So bosom friend means very close. Prakash and Vikas are bosom friend. So it is very easy. Bosom friend means very close. या माने होची कोन बहुत माने घनिष्ठ बंधुता. सो ए ब्लू आइड माने बहुत माने फेवरेट माने प्रिय. सो अजय जेहेतु प्रिय थिला से कौन से माने चाकरी रे प्रमोशन है. सो विल डिस्कस लिटिल बिट आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दिस थिंग. सो माई मेक समवन्स ब्लड बॉयल मीन्स आम जान रक्त गरम करबे माने से निश्चित भाव में रागिबार कारण हवा तार सेल्फिशनेस से निश्चित भाव रागिगले तापर. सो ब्लड इज थिंकर देन वाटर माने आम जानिले कौन आम जानिले जे ब्लड रिलेशनशिपटा ऑन एनी अदर रिलेशनशिप स्ट्रंग. से ब्लड इज थिंकर देन वाटर. दैट मीन्स आई कैन नॉट गो अगेंस्ट माई ब्रदर. आफ्टर ऑल ही इज माई हीज ब्लड इज थिंकर देन वाटर. दैट मीन्स ही इज माई ब्लड रिलेशन वेयर ब्लड वेयर रिलेटेड इन ब्लड. सो ऑन ब्लेंडेड नी मीन्स विथ हम्बल सबमिसिव एटीट्यूड रे जन को किसी कहवा. सो एज साउंड एज बेल मीन्स वेरी हेल्दी. एज फाइन एज फिडल ऑल्सो यू कैन से इंस्टेड ऑफ इट. एंड तापर आसला आम कौन देखा एज क्लियर एज बेल मीन्स इजी टू हियर. एज क्लियर एज बेल मीन्स इजी टू हियर. द रूम इज नॉइसी स्टिल आई कैन हियर अवर वॉइस. सो बियर विथ माने पेशेंट. ब्यूटिलाइज इन द आइज ऑफ बिहोल्डर आम जानिले कौन डिफरेंट पर्सन विभिन्न व्यक्ति मानकर भिन्न भिन्न टेस्ट लाइक एनीथिंग माने बहुत कष्ट. सी ट्राइड लाइक एवरीथिंग एनीथिंग टू गेट ए जॉब. गोटे जॉब पाइबा बहुत चेष्टा करछि बाय हुक और क्रुक. सो हैव आंट्स इन वन स्पेंड मीन्स टू बी रेस्टलेस. से एग्जाम बहुत व्यस्त होइकी से कौन अपेक्षा रही. सो सी हैज गॉट आंट्स इन पेंट. सो विल डिस्कस what is called next words in the upcoming classes. Thank you so